Alright guys, so we have Andy's beautiful Gen 5 Viper, which we previously did a prospeed F1X kit on it. And Lucas is doing some more little upgrades on it, so we'll go over to him and show you guys what we're doing. Alright, so what's going on with this one?
Pulling it down, fuel system, wideband relocated, a couple simple things. So this car came in previously for a meth kit and F1X install, so it's just kind of turning it up a little bit.
Wood grain gripping, steel tipping on wrapped in four holes and no packings, blowing on that endo, GameCube Nintendo, 5% tint, so you can't see up in my window. These niggas don't understand me, cause I'm boss hog on candy. Top down at Maxis with a big Glock 9 handy. Pieced up, creased up, stand dressed to impress. Big boss belt buckle under my Michelin S. Oh, Gucci shades up on my braids when I escalade. When I'm riding spree wheel sliding like a
Back in the C8?
Back in the C8. I don't know if your camera's gonna show it, but there is a check engine light on if it catches it. It's because we just had it on the dyno, and these will throw a check engine light when you dyno them, and you have to clear it. I just haven't yet. I guess I should take it out of track mode so it doesn't hang the gears forever. There we go. Yeah, it did pretty good if you look at the dyno graph. So it makes like 5 pounds boost. Do like 535 or something.
Yeah, 535.
And baseline what? 416, 415? Something like that. 416. Yeah, I mean it's pretty good. It's just up everywhere. So far it hasn't had any, you know, limp mode, reduce engine power, like, no, hasn't done anything goofy. So we'll see on a actual drive and make it shift and everything and under power and see what happens. But so far this gets pretty damn cool.
Definitely sounds good.
It sounds super cool. I like it a lot. There's so much traffic. Phoenix is California now.
Oh yeah.
We're all screwed.
Shifting and upshifting.
Oh, it's so cool. Like the exhaust, we did the AWE track, which is basically straight pipe. And these cars, they sound pretty cool with that kind of exhaust just because it's so short. It doesn't sound like just a muffler delete junk or anything. Mode in it, I think it's kind of put it in like a track mode, so whoever owned the car, that Z mode, you can make it be all your different settings of what it automatically goes to. Not sure. Shifted.
Yeah.
I let out too right on a shift, which would, I feel like, make it go into limp mode if it was possibly going to go into it. Where you kind of start chopping throttle and do a bunch of goofy stuff.
Yeah.
So far, it feels pretty good.
Yeah.
Like I squeezed into it. I really don't know what gear that was. If you caught it on the camera, it'd probably say it, but it started to roll into it. I have it in manual mode now, so I'll kind of play around with it. There's just a constant, like, just pulls.
So smooth.
Yeah, it's really smooth. I mean, for not being able to do much to these cars, I mean, there's the turbo stuff where it's all piggyback and port controllers and all that, and which is cool, but you know, even we found with the C7, not everybody wants 800-900 wheel. You know, 500 wheel on the street is really, really fun, especially because this thing should just hook everywhere.
Yeah.
And because these here in Arizona trap, I think I see like 121 in the quarter, so this would probably go, I don't know, low 130s here maybe, which that's a super fun car on the street.
Yeah. Definitely beat pretty much anything you'd run into.
Yeah, for the most part. Yeah, I mean, if you go to some big event and everything like that, cool. But just having fun on the street, rolling into it on ramps, and I mean, 500 wheels, a ton of fun.
Yeah.
And the risk is low of breaking stuff.
Yeah, it's the best part.
That's the best part. Yeah, you can just kind of beat on it everywhere. I'm not gonna stab it in first because it is stock axles, and these wheel hop pretty easy. So I've heard. But God, that sounds cool. It's pretty quick.
Yeah.
You might get good video, like if the windows are down.
Yeah, it should.
Watch out for the papers. Oh, this should sound cool. It's pretty fun.
Yeah.
I mean, the biggest problem, you know, I've felt on these cars is they're hilarious 0 to 60 because they just dead hook and they're really fun.
Yeah.
And then they just fall on their face. You know, a 120 trap car is not slow or anything, but you really feel them just kind of lay over.
Yeah.
And the best way to describe this is it never stops. It just is constantly pulling.
Yeah.
Oh, have you ever seen one of those?
Yeah, I've seen a couple of them around here.
They're crazy.
They look fun.
So, have you ever watched videos of people like trying to do top speeds on them?
No.
You have to be willing to crash.
Yeah.
Because you just have to stay going forward. I found one video once, sorry we're going off on a really weird tangent, but I found a video once of somebody going like 55 on one.
Ooh.
And
they have like just normal clothes on? Do they
no,
have, like,
they were like full padded, like they were willing to wreck. There was one night I saw one in Gilbert where I live, and the dude had like how people do their gaming PCs to be all crazy lights and everything.
Yeah.
He had it all over on that thing. It was a trip.
Ricered out.
Yeah.
Man, you've ever rode these scooters at like Tempe Town Lake and stuff?
Like the line bikes and
Yeah.
the birds? Yeah.
Those things only go like, what, 120.
Yeah.
And that feels fast alone.
When those things first started coming out, what am I in? Oh, I'm still in manual mode. When those things first started coming out, we went and rented a bunch and rode them all back to the shop, and we put them on the dyno.
Oh yeah, I remember that.
Yeah. I think 6 of them made 3 horsepower on the dyno. This thing's fun.
It's the most spaceship feeling you can get in a car.
Yeah, it feels great. Be cool once tuning's really available. I'd like to turn one up. I think with how well they can hook, you know, mid 600, 700 wheels should be pretty good in one of these.
Yeah. It'd be real fun.
Yeah, because I think it would still hook then.
Yeah.
Especially with how the power comes in a Sentry blower. It's just nice and linear. Cool.
You don't jump us in.
And if when you're done, you walk away with wood, you're out.
I'm sorry.
If you walk away
hard, it happens?
It happens, dude.
Okay. Well,
Testosterone, you know.
Toolbox falls over, that's why.
It includes audience too.
What's up, big man? How you doing?
Lock it into the elbow there, like that. Help it. No kissing. Yep. Okay. Go ahead and wash my hand. As soon as it comes off, go to town.
Well, her cracks.
That's insane.
No, I'm not the champ. My arms are fucked. I'll arm wrestle anyways. I don't give a shit.
Dog and Scott.
That dude's real.
Pleasure. Scott.
Nick.
Pleasure. That was fun.
All right, so who won?
Good boy.
Yeah. We gotta go Devlin.
Was it easy?
Or no, he's gotta go to the park. Lucas, you
Strong ways. I thought Lucas.
Lucas knows this.
Hey.
I gotta arm wrestle Callie. Devlin being
I'll do it. Devlin won't do it, so I'll do it.
Well, I mean, technically, you're the bottom, so he's supposed to arm wrestle you. If he beats you, then you need to arm wrestle him to
I'll
see
arm
if you're
wrestle
bottom.
I'll arm wrestle one person. So
One person?
you, Nick.
What?
You want your car bill or no?
Yes, I do. I'd like to keep your arm in one piece. I'll substitute in
You want
for
to
you.
see him arm wrestle him or arm wrestle him? If we're trying to establish the hierarchy, really.
Okay, Scott's gonna fucking
Hey.
dude.
This is like a
Yeah,
monthly thing. Everybody
I've known him
kind of
since 8th grade.
tests
He's gonna
their-
hammer down on me.
Lucas.
I hope you do. Bro, if you don't beat me, if you don't beat me, like something's honestly wrong. Okay.
You guys ready?
Sure.
I thought you were working out.
No! Oh, you stopped?
Oh, look who came out. Dumbelina.
Donkey Bowl. Here we go.
Alright.
Let's go, baby. I'm not biting much on the totem pole. Let's get it done.
Wait, so did I move up?
He just lost to him,
does that mean I
and he
move up?
lost to him. So,
So now you're at the bottom.
So then it's me and Devlin.
Oh.
Okay, so hold on, walk me through this. So
he arm wrestled my daughter and had a heart attack.
I'm nervous too. It's my first time.
Be gentle.
Why is your arm so long?
That's how you get it.
Dude, he's got a breaker bar for an arm. We're like the same
You
height.
guys ready?
Okay.
Really?
Damn.
Yeah, probably. I was scared for a second, bro.
I feel like your strength is like going up and down.
I'm attacking my knees.
I want to arm wrestle somebody.
Arm wrestle Scott. Arm wrestle Scott.
I'll just arm wrestle somebody. Ready? Pick up.
Oh shit, big man. Oh, big boy. Oh, big man.
Like I said, if it goes bad, I'm just letting go.
Bro, homie's got
I'll just wait.
strength.
Yeah,
for decades.
my left arm is way better than my right because I'm not afraid to pull with my left.
Oh, you want to go lefties there? I'm not even fucked up. This is gonna hurt. Alright, you ready, big man?
I'm ready.
I'm not.
Ready? Let's go.
Go ahead. Yeah, you know what? Fuck. Golly cheekers, man.
I'm not afraid to pull with my left. My right, I'm more concerned with
He's like the same as Kevin. I'll arm wrestle you again.
No, I gotta be Kelly.
Okay. Somebody else.
Come on, Devlin! Come on, Devlin! Let's go! Let's go!
You played with me. You played with me. Oh man.
I think you're close.
Who am I gonna go with?
Yeah, dude, I want to see Alex arm wrestle.
Somebody back that up.
Come on, Devlin.
You and Devlin?
You guys.
No, not me.
You guys. Alright, I'll do it.
All right.
Oh god, that's gonna be good.
Let me know if we'll make it strong.
Why is your arm so big?
He's sick, bro. 1, 2, 3.
Nope.
I can already see his fucking muscle laughing at me. Alright.
Go.
Right now.
Wear him out. Wear him out.
Oh boy. It's
All right.
Yeah, yeah. Two. Yeah, yeah. Drinking dope turned me to a superhero.